Hi everybody, my name is Mike August, and I've got the new Songbird, love it, absolutely love it, tenor guitar. So I like to play a little bit for you so you can get the beautiful sound that it has. This is just acoustic, not plugged in or anything like that. So let's try a little Bill Brownzy, Big Road Blues.